HireBox just made your hiring faster, cheaper, and more effective with our unique recruitment process outsourcing. While what we do may not be simple, what you see on your end is. Here's how it works. Our project starts by having you fill a detailed questionnaire about your company and the position you are looking to fill. We will use this questionnaire to create your job posting and learn about your unique position. After we have created the job posting, we run it by you to ensure you approve it. After your approval is when we hit the high gear. Now we start posting your job to over 100 different job boards. As resumes pile in, we start our pre-selection process. This is completely customizable, but a standard one looks like this. We screen hundreds of resumes for ones that qualify for your position. We invite the candidates to our pre-selector assessment and to perform a one-way video interview that contains custom questions pertaining to your position. At this point, if you choose our recruitment marketing outsourcing, we send you, the candidate, with all their information ready for a first interview. However, if you choose our full recruitment process outsourcing, we don't stop there. We continue by conducting our in-depth soft skills assessment called the RecruitTech test. After this, we do a phone interview asking them first interview style questions and challenging them on the results of the RecruitTech test. If after these steps we feel the candidate is a fit for your position, we will send them to you. We are so confident about the people we send to you. All we ask you to do is a second interview, and if you decide to hire them, we give you a 3-month placement guarantee. If that person doesn't last more than 3 months, we will restart the mission at no cost to you. And that is how HireBox can simplify your hiring procedure.